Well, I can honestly say the Philippines give me surprise after surprise. Every day you just don't know what you're going to see. It's just unbelievable here. Today I'm in Dumaguete, Negros Oriental. It's a popular place for old expats to come and retire. Some people consider it to be God's waiting room. After spending a fair bit of time on tropical islands, I like to think of Dumaguete as civilization. Today I've hired a chap called Romel to take us on a tour of the local area. He's a lovely fella and he's very knowledgeable, and I'll leave his information in the description box below, so if you come here and you need a guide, I strongly recommend him. First stop was the Cata-Al WW2 Museum, where we were greeted by an old boy called Felix Constantino. Now this might not be everyone's cup of tea, but personally I found it fascinating. Especially since most of the artifacts were recovered by Felix himself in the aftermath of Japan's invasion of the Philippines during the Second World War. If you like that kind of thing, I consider it to be a must-see, and as usual I made an arse of myself. That's the way that they do it.
Filled with explosives.
Is it? Oh shit! Oh. Sorry.
When it explodes, it will be like this.
Oh.
And this is very difficult to remove from your body. You have to make an incision,
a big hole.
Very big incision.
Yeah.
If you are able to survive.
Yeah. Goodbye, Felix. It was a pleasure to meet you, and thank you very much for your time. As we headed to our next destination, all of a sudden we came to a random waterfall by the side of the road, where Romel pulled over and we took some photographs. I stopped asking Romel where our next destination was because I began to enjoy the surprise. And as you can see throughout this video, Negros Oriental is full of them. The next place we came to was a few miles up the road from there, which was in like a mountainous area where natural gas came out of the ground. Apparently the gas is sulphur. Now I must admit it did pen and ink a bit, but it actually was quite a sight to behold. It's still early, I'm having a great day, and I haven't even had a swim yet. And I just can't wait to find out where we're going next.
I don't really know what to say really, apart from this is just the most wonderful place that you could ever imagine. It's a tropical paradise in the middle of the jungle in Negros, and I could stay here forever. Oh, that's fantastic.